All right, today we are going on a quest. And this isn't just any quest. It's a journey to master one of the most powerful tools in data analytics. And the best part? Our map is this massive, completely free 11-hour Excel course. So let's dive right in.
So, let me ask you a question. Are you trying to break into data analytics? Land that first big job? Or maybe you're already in the game, but you're looking to seriously level up your skills. If you're nodding your head right now, then you're definitely going to want to stick around for this.
Okay, but every good quest has a dragon to slay, right? And for this one, the first big challenge you'll face is the sheer length. We're talking 11 hours. Yeah, this is a full-on, no-holds-barred, comprehensive deep dive. And look, if that number, 11 hours, makes you feel a little overwhelmed, you are not alone. I get it. That is a huge time commitment. But trust me, you're going to want to stick with me here because the way this whole journey is structured, it's actually surprisingly manageable.
And here's the cool part. Your guide for this whole thing, Luke Barousse, he gets it. He actually created this course because he's been there. He built the exact resource he wishes he'd had when he was just starting out as a data analyst. That means he knows the struggle, he knows the journey, and he's designed this from the ground up with you in mind.
So here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to cover the why behind Excel, walk through the guided journey, look at the awesome power tools you'll learn, check out the portfolio projects you'll build, and of course, tell you exactly how to get started.
All right, first up, the Excel Learning Challenge. Let's really dig into why this skill isn't just nice to have, it's absolutely crucial if you're serious about a career in data.
And this chart, it says it all. If you look at the top skills for data analysts, SQL is king, for sure. But look what's right behind it, Excel. We're not talking about a bonus skill here. This is a core foundational requirement that employers are looking for.
And just think about the sheer scale of this thing. Over 1 billion users worldwide. Excel is the undisputed, hands-down king of spreadsheets. I mean, that's roughly 1 out of every 8 people on the entire planet. When you master Excel, you're basically learning to speak the universal language of data.
Now, this whole journey isn't just about memorizing formulas and functions. It's about understanding a tool that has this surprisingly deep and interesting history. So let's take a quick look back.
Believe it or not, the basic idea, organizing stuff in rows and columns, goes all the way back to ancient Babylon. Crazy, right? Okay, let's fast forward a bit. You get VisiCalc, the first real spreadsheet software in '79. Then Microsoft drops the first version of Excel in '85. But the real revolution for us, for data analysts, happened in 2010. That's when Power Query and Power Pivot were introduced. And that's what turned Excel from just a spreadsheet into a legit data analytics powerhouse.
So, back to our dragon. How do you conquer an 11-hour beast of a course? Well, it's pretty simple actually. You break it down into smaller pieces. And this course is structured really cleverly as a very manageable 2-part quest.
Think of it like a video game. The first half is like the tutorial level. You're building your foundation, right? Mastering all the core stuff. Functions, charts, tables, getting solid. Then, the second half, that's where you get your power-ups. You start diving into the really advanced features that are going to set you apart from everyone else.
And speaking of those power-ups, let's talk about your new secret weapons. These are the tools that are going to make you feel like an analytics superhero, Power Query and Power Pivot.
Okay, first off, Power Query. The easiest way to think about this is as your ultimate data cleaning machine. Seriously, it lets you connect to all sorts of different data sets and then perform what we in the biz call ETL, extract, transform, and load. Basically, it's how you grab messy data and whip it into shape so it's ready for analysis. And the analogy for its speed and power is just perfect. Using Power Query is, and I quote, like washing down a couple caffeine pills with a shot of espresso. It's just bam! It works and it is ridiculously fast. All right, next up is its partner in crime, Power Pivot. This is where you completely blow past the normal limits of Excel. You know that 1 million row limit? Forget it. Power Pivot lets you build powerful data models on huge datasets and run supercharged calculations using a language called DAX. So if Power Query was that shot of espresso, Power Pivot is, quote, like putting your spreadsheets on steroids. It just elevates everything you can do inside Excel to a whole other universe.
Okay, so you learn all these cool tools, right? But theory is one thing. Actually doing it is what matters. And that's where we get to the best part, the tangible trophies you walk away with, your portfolio projects.
See, you're not just watching videos, you are actively building things. For the beginner project, you'll build this really cool interactive dashboard that can predict a salary. And for the advanced project, you get to analyze the entire data science job market using real-world data. These are the exact kinds of projects that you can put in your portfolio and show to hiring managers.
All right, so you're probably thinking, this sounds awesome, I'm in. So what are the first steps? How do you actually get started? It's super simple. Okay, 3 easy steps. Step 1, you grab all the materials, they're all free to download from a GitHub repository. Step 2, just do a quick system check to make sure your version of Excel is good to go. And step 3, you just begin. The whole course is broken down into these bite-sized 10 to 20-minute lessons, so you can learn by doing at your own pace. And let me just say it again to be absolutely crystal clear. The entire course, all the workbooks, all the data sets, everything you need is 100% free. Now, there are some optional resources you can pay for if you want to support the creator, but you absolutely do not need them to finish the main quest.
Okay, now this next part is really important. It's a crucial compatibility note, so listen up. The basics, the first half of the course, that'll work for pretty much everyone. But, and this is a big but, to use the advanced stuff, Power Query, Power Pivot, and to do that final advanced project, you have to be on a Windows computer. I repeat, those features are not available on macOS or the free online version of Excel. So, Windows is a must for the second half. So there it is. The path is laid out. The secret weapons have been revealed. The challenge is set. Your data analytics quest is officially waiting for you. And really, there's only one question left to ask. Are you ready to begin?